you doing out there in the fishing world? I'm Big John from Jack's Bait and Tackle on City Island in the Bronx, New York. Top of the morning to you. Happy St. Patty's Day. Belated St. Patty's Day, that is. Today I have with me a very important person. That's Captain Chris from the Island Current Fleet.
How you doing, John?
All right, Big Chris. That's right, Captain Chris from the Island Current Fleet. He now has how many boats?
3 boats. Island Current 1, Island Current 2, and the new Island Current 3. 76 foot by 22 foot wide. 110 passenger vessel, John.
110 passengers. Okay, so that's 110, 50, and 20. What does that add up to? A lot of people. You hear that? A lot of people. And this year, Captain Chris has his entire fleet right behind me here in Jack's Bait and Tackle. That's right. Right behind Jack's Bait. So you don't have to go anywhere else to find the best. You just come right here to Jack's and you got Captain Chris and the whole fleet. Is that right, Chris?
That's correct, John. We're looking forward to opening day on April 1st. We'll be flounder fishing out in the western part of Long Island Sound. Heavy sandworms, bloodworms, and plenty of chum. You need the chum for the spring run, John.
Yes, you got to have the chum because without the chum, you can't draw them in. It's very important to chum the bottom. That's clam chum, mussel chum, any kind of chum, just to get them stirred up because it's been a long winter. It's been very cold here in New York, so the water is still in the, the lower 40s. Until it warms up, you got to draw them in as best you can, and chumming is the trick. And of course, our big jumbo sandworms on top of it all. So, Chris, how are we going to fish in the beginning of the year? In what areas are we going to travel to?
We're going to be fishing very close to Eastchester Bay, Little Neck Bay, Manhasset Bay area. We generally fish shallow, anywhere from 12 foot or low. All of the boats are designed with a low draft, which allow us to get really up into the shallows. As you mentioned before, the heavy chum, we anchor because it is cold. We bring the fish to us with that constant, steady chum. Constantly changing the bait, making sure you're using a variety of different things. The bloodworm, sandworms, and the bank mussel combination. Deadly in the Western Sound.
Okay, you heard that. Bloodworm, sandworm, and mussel combo. He's fishing local, he's fishing shallow. So there's only one thing you people need to do out there in the fishing world, and that's to get on down to Jack's Bait and Tackle. Come see Captain Chris and the boys over here, right behind Jack's Bait and Tackle here on City Island. Get on the boat and have a great day out there. This is the time to get your flounders in because it's an early shot. April is the month. After April, other fish start to come in. Like, what's the next fish after
The next
that?
fish will be striped bass, which officially opens in Long Island waters on April the 15th. And that's when we'll begin sailing every night at 6:30. And we fish for the bass and blues throughout the whole season. April 15th until the end of Thanksgiving. And we have the best run of spring bass in Long Island Sound. Close to home, less than 15 minutes away.
That's right. You heard it. You don't have to travel far. It's close to home. We have the best run in the entire area. So this is the time to get going. April 1. That's April 1st. We'll be looking forward to seeing you here at Jack's Bait and Tackle on City Island in the Bronx, New York. And if they need to call you, Captain Chris, what number?
You could always reach me directly 24 hours a day at 917-417-7557 or reach us on the web at islandcurrent.com for the ultimate in party charter fishing.
That's right. What is that again?
Island Current Fleet.
Island Current Fleet, and also jacksbaitandtackle.com. So here we are. We'll look forward to seeing you. Have a great day. Bye-bye now. Nice.